I just wanted to jump on here really quick and give you all some extra ideas on how to help support your immune system right now with everything that's going on. Of course, we have the all famous the thieves oil, which is great to use, that can help support your immune system. Then there is Raven. That's a good one also. Hang on. Turn it around so they can see the name. This one is lemongrass. Then there is clove. Surprisingly enough, it is in the thieves blend, but you seem to forget about it. And then she is holding up the lemon. Of course, frankincense is a great one to help support your immune system. Cinnamon bark. Ooh, that one is also in the thieves blend, but we seem to forget about it. The other one is a lime oil. And then we also have orange, which is also in the thieves blend. So those are some good ones to think about. But also, do not forget about your spices. She's got thyme, there's sage, and then the all famous oregano. Y'all, get these in your diffusers. Blend them together. I like oregano and lime together, about 3 to 4 drops of each. Get your immune system supported. All right, till next time. Tell them bye.
Bye.